Welcome back to my channel. Get ready to redefine your perception of luxury with the all-new 2026 Lexus RZ. A few months ago, Lexus unveiled the 2026 RZ in its European-spec form, featuring steer-by-wire technology and simulated gears. Now, the updated RZ is headed to the North American market, and it comes with several upgrades including a new and improved battery, more power, and increased driving range. The 2026 RZ features a redesigned battery electric system, delivering increased motor output and extended driving range and reduced charging times under ideal conditions. In addition, it debuts a new addition to the lineup, the RZ 550e F SPORT AWD, which is equipped with higher output front and rear motors, achieving a more powerful and exhilarating driving experience. The RZ lineup will have 3 different power options: 221 total system horsepower RZ 350e FWD, 308 total system horsepower RZ 450e AWD, and 402 total system horsepower RZ 550e F Sport AWD. With a diverse lineup, the new RZ is designed to meet the needs of a broad range of drivers, from those who prioritize daily convenience and practicality to those who want a more engaging and dynamic driving experience. The F Sport cabin is finished in black and dark gray, designed to evoke a sporty feel and quiet strength. The ultra-suede upholstery has bright blue contrast quilt stitching, the signature color of Lexus Electrified. The F Sport front seats are made using an integrated foaming technique which creates a more solid bond between the upholstery and frame, giving superior body holding performance. Both seats have 8-way power adjustment and lumbar support. F Sport detailing includes stainless steel tread plates, steering wheel badging, and aluminum sports pedals and footrest. The laser-processed pattern on the ultra-suede door cards has a geometric design, contrasting with the flowing contours on other RZ models. The trim finish is also specific to the model, a film with a micro-geometric pattern. The 2026 RZ is assembled at the Motomachi plant in Japan and is expected to go on sale later this year. Lexus hasn't revealed official pricing for the refreshed model yet, but it is confirmed that sales will begin later this year. Based on the pricing of the 2025 model year, the base models are expected to start around $45,000, with the new flagship RZ 550e likely pushing beyond $60,000.